Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are we doing today? Alhamdulillah. اليوم بإذن الله راح نتناول الصف الثالث والرابع الابتدائي مادة اللغة الإنجليزية. And today, inshallah, we are going to have a review lesson on unit days and weather. معكم المعلمة سارة الشبيكي، وأنا معلم لغة الإشارة الأستاذ عماد الذويب. As always, it's a pleasure. So, let's go over our classroom agreements. First things first, please make sure that you're not hungry. If you're hungry, please pause the video, have a snack, and then come back to class. Please make sure that today in particular, you have your notebooks with you, okay? You can have your weekend 2 book to help you and a pencil or a pen to use for writing, okay? So what are we going to do today? So as we said, today inshallah, we are going to do a review. We are going to do a review on days and weather. We will use different ways. We will use the language in different ways, right? Because we have learned different words, different sounds, right? So let me ask you a question. If you want to build a house, what do you do? What do you need? You need tools, right? You need things to put together to build a house. So far we have learned words, we have learned sounds. We can use those words and sounds to put words and sentences together, right? Let's read this together. Again, we will review the different ways we use language through unit days and weather. Look at this picture. What do we see? Yes, over here, looks like it's sunny. It's a little colder. It's really cold over here. And maybe over here is the season when flowers grow, right? Okay, so today's objectives is going to be, we will talk about likes and dislikes. We will respond to short digital recorded materials. We will use assigned words in context. We will read simple sentences. We will do controlled writing, write upper and lowercase letters correctly. We will use lined paper correctly with headline, baseline, and midline. Okay, so boys and girls, are we ready? Now read this question. When you hear the word days, what pictures come to your mind? Maybe you have memories, special things you did on certain days, right? So now let's look at these pictures. What kinds of memories can we remember? Maybe I remember when my baby brother or baby sister was born. I still remember when my baby brother and baby sister were born. And also, maybe something happened, an accident happened, right? So maybe that day is a day you never forget. Maybe I had an accident once, I still remember. This girl broke her leg. So that's a day to remember, right? Also, what do we see here? Maybe your first day of preschool is a day that you remember. And this is something no one forgets. Do you remember when you lost your first tooth? How old were you when you lost your first tooth? 5 or 6 maybe? Or 7? Okay. Now, when you hear the word weather, what pictures come to your mind? So we were talking about days, right? What's the name of this unit? The name of this unit is days and weather. Now what is weather? Try to remember, what's weather? Can you go out and play with a t-shirt if it's cold? Can you wear a t-shirt and go out to play if it's cold? No, you have to wear something for the weather, right? So how it's like outside is the weather, okay? Now, let's look at these pictures together. Oh, this looks like it was raining because we see, what do we see? Yes, seeing a rainbow is a memory. When do we see rainbows, boys and girls? After it rains, okay? We see a rainbow appear sometimes. Also, weather might remind us of the boys and girls. What are they doing? They're playing with kites. the kite would not fly in the air, would not move up in the air unless it was windy. Yes, so playing with kites is something we can remember that's related to weather. And what do we see over here? The girl and the boy. They're so happy that it's raining. So we can remember a rainy day. What do you do usually on a rainy day? Do you open the window and just enjoy the sounds of the rain? Or do you stay inside and you want the rain to finish because you want to go out and play? Okay. And this is interesting, boys and girls. Seeing snow. Have you seen snow before? Maybe you went to a place where snow falls. Snow is just like rain, but because it's so cold, on the way down, the water turns into ice. This kind of ice is called snow. Okay? Now, we're going to listen to an audio between Layla and her mom and her mother. They might be talking about days or weather, but at the back of your head, you have all the memories of what you do on your days that you really like and how it's like when you go out and see different kinds of weather. Right? Let's listen together.
Thank you again for helping me out today, Layla.
My pleasure, Mom.
Are you ready for tomorrow's visit?
More than ready. I have all my toys that I want to share with my cousins.
You have the whole day planned, have you?
Yes, did you see the bags in my room?
I was wondering what those bags were for.
One of those bags has toys for the dollhouse. The other bag is for when we play outside.
Now you have me all excited for tomorrow, too.
Great! Now you will like Friday, just like me.
I already do.
So, this lovely conversation was between Layla and her mom. What are they doing? If you look at the picture, what are they doing? Yes, they're cleaning in the kitchen, right? And Layla is helping her mom, right? That's why at the beginning we heard Layla's mom say, "Thank you again for helping me today," right? And Layla sounds so excited for tomorrow. What does she have in mind? Let's read the two questions together and then we're going to listen to the audio one more time, okay? It says here, why did Layla's mother say thank you to her? Why did she say thank you? Remember, what are they doing in the kitchen? Now the other question, why did Layla organize her toys in two bags? Remember when Layla told her mom, did you see the two bags I have in my room? So she's so excited for the visit that she put toys in two different bags. Why? Okay, let's listen again and then answer the questions.
Thank you again for helping me out today, Layla.
My pleasure, Mom.
Are you ready for tomorrow's visit?
More than ready. I have all my toys that I want to share with my cousins.
You have the whole day planned, have you?
Yes, did you see the bags in my room?
I was wondering what those bags were for.
One of those bags has toys for the dollhouse. The other bag is for when we play outside.
Now you have me all excited for tomorrow, too.
Great! Now you will like Friday, just like me.
I already do.
Okay. So what day of the week does Layla really like? Did you pick up on the name of the day? She likes Friday. Excellent. I'm guessing every Friday she goes and visits her cousins, right? Now, let's read the first question together. Why? Remember, why? Thinking of a reason. Why did Layla's mother say thank you to her? We can say Layla was, what was she doing? What was she doing? What do you think she was doing? Layla was helping. Excellent. Helping her. We can say the word mom. helping her mom. Full stop. Okay. Excellent. Did you think of this answer too? That's why she said thank you. So when someone helps you, what do you say? You always say thank you, right? Okay. Now let's read the second question. Why did Layla organize her toys in 2 bags? You know, when you're so excited, you plan extra perfectly because you want this day to go just fine. What did she do? She has 2 bags. Why did she have 2 bags? Right, maybe she's going to spend a long time in her cousin's house, right? She might play outside and she might play inside, right? So she has toys to play with, the dollhouse, right? She said something about dollhouse. The other bag, so when they go outside and play, maybe she has certain games that they can only play outside. So let's think of a sentence. What sentence can we write? Let's look at this one more time. Why did Layla organize her toys in 2 bags? We can say Layla will use 1 bag for the dollhouse, right? 1 bag for the dollhouse. We can say, oh, I forgot the E for dollhouse. And the other bag, I don't have space, but it's okay. The other bag. To play outside. Can you read this? Outside. Can you read these 2 sentences? Okay, so she's going to use 1 bag for the dollhouse and the other bag to play outside with her. With her who? With her cousins. Excellent. Okay, so please look at the next pictures. What sentences can we write? We have been doing a lot of writing. What do we see? You can write any sentence you like. What ideas do you have? Right? Maybe I can say, the boy is looking out the window. We can write this down? Okay. Or maybe we can say, it's raining outside. It is raining. Raining outside. Excellent. It's raining outside. Is that the sentence you chose? Okay. Now we're going to look at another picture. What do we see over here? We see a mom and a dad, a brother and a sister. So this is a whole family. What are they having? What are they doing? Right? I see food. When you go out like this and you eat outside, this is called a picnic. So we can say, the family is having a picnic. Do you want to write this sentence with me? Okay. The family is, what are they having? They are having a picnic. Okay. Now let me ask you, remember the question, the answer when we didn't have space and I had to write the answer at the bottom of the page? If you run out of space, what do? Do you write everything together at the bottom of the page? No, you turn the page, right? You have enough space to write. All right? Okay. Now, read each question. Please read each question. What can your answers be? What kind of questions are we going to have? Do you remember this question? Let me ask you a question. What day of the week that you like? Maybe you like Sunday because you have art class. Do we have an art class here? No? Oh, we have Tuesday. The boys are playing inside. And we have Saturday. We ride the bike on Saturday. So why do you have a day that you like? So maybe you can say, let's choose Friday. You know what? Let's choose Saturday today, this time. What day do you like? We can say, I like Saturday. Excellent. Saturday. Full stop. I like Saturday. Now here's the big question. Why do you like Saturday? I'm going to guess maybe on Saturday you go out with your friends. We can write this down. So we can say, I like Saturday. I like Saturday. Because B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because I can, maybe you can see my friends, see your friends, right? See my friends. Maybe you see your cousins on Saturdays. Okay, are you getting tired from writing? It's okay. You don't have to write everything with me, but when you see someone write, maybe this can help you also get used to writing. You see writing and then you start writing yourself, right? Okay. Now, what kind of weather do you like? Do you like when it's windy? Or do you like when it's sunny? Maybe you like when it's rainy? So let's guess that you like it when it's sunny. Let's write this down. Usually when it's sunny, we can go out and play. So, we can say, I like sunny weather. Excellent. Why? We can say, why do you like sunny weather if it's not too hot? Yes, you can go out and play. So we can say, I can go out and play. That's a lot of writing, right? It's okay. So why do you like this kind of weather? I can go out and play when it's sunny. All right, now speaking of sunny, what pictures do we see? We see a picture of the sun and the picture of Earth. We have a question. Can you read the question? It says here, what connections do you see? So you can see over here, we have the sun facing Earth, and over here it's day. And on this side, people are sleeping. So why do you think this happens? Okay, just like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, what did He say in the Quran? إِنَّ فِي خَلْقِ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَاخْتِلَافِ اللَّيْلِ وَالنَّهَارِ لَآيَاتٍ لِأُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. Okay, those are the people that always wonder and think, right? Okay, are you one of those people? Thank you so much, boys and girls. This was a lot of fun. I'll see you again next time, inshallah. See you soon.